Hi guys, it's me Patrice, and as you can tell from the thumbnail, I finally got my CARAWAY cookware set. Now I am so excited to share with you guys what I got. I have the whole 4-piece set. I can finally ditch all of the toxic, crazy cookware sets that I have from the past and get the real deal in my kitchen as much as I love to cook. So let's go ahead and let me show you guys exactly what I got.
Alright, here we go guys. So this is the bestseller cookware set. It's currently retail valued at $3.95, which is $150 off of the $5.45 that it normally is. What I love about CARAWAY is that the coating of the pots and pans are non-toxic and non-stick, which means it's a super slick non-stick pan. Okay guys, it requires less oil and butter. Alright, now you guys want to know what's included. You do get the storage, you get the frying pan, you get the saucepan with the top, and then you also get the saute pan and the Dutch oven. It is a beautiful set. They have so many other colors for you to select from on their website, but I really do love my gray. Now I could not wait to go ahead and wash it and see how it's gonna go for a spotless clean so I can go ahead and start cooking. And let me tell you, it stands up to what they say. When I was cooking, I really did not have to use a lot of oil and butter. Everything was just minimum, and the food was just sliding around so easily, and it didn't take me long to prepare my dinner at all for my family. And everything was just smelling good, and I was just in a good mood cooking dinner. And that's a good feeling when you have to cook all the time for your family.
Alright guys, I have put my cookware to very good use. I've already prepared the kids and my husband a really quick and easy pasta dish that you guys can check out. I'm going to provide the recipes down below, but also check out my blog. Be sure to subscribe because I'm going to be putting a lot of my recipes on there. But going forward, the cookware is absolutely amazing. I just felt like I was cooking in pure luxury, and it felt good. It really, like, when you really enjoy cooking and having a really nice cookware to cook out of, it just really does something to your self-esteem. It gets you just motivated to just cook more. So with that being said, I can't wait to entertain my family and my friends for the holidays. With Easter coming up, I'm definitely going to be utilizing my cookware, and I can't wait to see what they say, especially my mom. She's really into cookware too, so I know she's going to be excited to see how nice this is. I prepared the kids a really good pasta dish, and this recipe will be available on my website. It's just something really quick and easy, doesn't take very long, and if you have a large family like me, you want something that's not going to take very long, especially during the weekday. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. My honest review for this cookware is shop and get it. I really appreciate you guys tagging along with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the cookware just as much as I did. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.